All right, welcome.
Hi guys.
The way you have the vest on, your nose is just small.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time since they saw you on this channel.
That's so true. That's so true.
Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kinng right here. It's a new day with a new video. Yeah, guys. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope everything is going on well for all of ya. Okay, so today is another great day, and I'm going out with some friends. We want to go have some fun, you know, and I want to share this experience. I want to share this experience with you all. So yeah, one of those days that I feel like, you know what, let me pause work and let me go out and have fun. You know, it's all about fun, baby. Fun. It's all work and no play. You know the rest, right? Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Get notified anytime I make a post. Share this video and comment. Okay, share your comments, share your experience. Let's share your comments. Okay, share your comments. Let me know what you like to do for fun. All right. My sister just joined me. We're gonna meet up with our friends and then we will have fun. All right, let's get right into the video.
Purchase your tracks today.
I try me mocha, I try me mocha. Although you woo, your friend was saying I'm bamboozing, I'm new in town. I'm checking out your Facebook. I'm gonna leak up.
Okay, we just got here. So we're gonna meet up with our friends then. We start having fun. It's just gonna be just a short outing, a short fun with the guys and with my sister, and then we can go back home. You know, one of those days. So guys, tag along. It's gonna be fun. I hope you enjoy this video too. But don't forget to like, man. Don't forget to share as well. All right. See you on the flip side.
I tell you, say, Kinng promise be my party. I go call on me, go come to the party, baby. Make you know they fear cry. Everything's gonna be easy. I'm gonna wait for the storm to be over. Gonna spend more time when I come over. Any day, anyhow, it's gonna be over. We're gonna chill, we're gonna go. Maybe you left.
Yeah, let me see. Let me taste. Let me see. It's cool. I love it. How do you do the noodles? I will find you when it's all over. When it's all over. Baby, I will find you when it's all over. When it's all over.
Your curry chicken is good. And then is that one over there?
Baby, I will find you
Pork?
when it's all over.
Barbecue pork?
It's nice. You need red meat in your life.
You do.
Is that in place of teriyaki?
Yeah, I guess so.
So it basically is, why don't you get it?
Okay,
I'm gonna wait for the storm to be over.
It's good, right?
yeah, I'll do orange chicken and I'll do the pork too.
Yeah.
Dude, the lady's voting the 11 out of me. She's like, what? This is
So
couchy
can
tofu.
you divide the rice from two of us?
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah. Can you give it a little bit for me and a little bit for him?
Never had tofu before? No. Tofu is like cheese
Yeah.
that is like, wanna be like chicken.
That's yours.
That's what it is.
What spicy.
Okay, I want that.
You want the spicy chili chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, you brave, bro. You
Good
brave.
guy.
It's not hot. It's not hot? No.
I want
It's
some
not
curry
hot.
chicken. Curry
I
chicken.
love it.
Chicken is
I want
Yeah, I like it.
curry chicken. Yeah. I'm having some rice and some noodles. You know what I'm saying? Some curry powder. No, not curry powder. My bad. Curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken with a black pepper chicken too. So
Sounds good.
I gotta feed this bone. What? Yeah, show off. I got guns.
Yeah. Arizona. All right.
Two of them. No.
Yeah, Arizona, they can have. Arizona.
One more. And also, can I take the water? No water. The sunny. That's an orange chicken. That's it. Every week to do the push-up.
Yeah.
Every week. My mom would do that.
So you know invite?
No, nobody.
Hey. Derek, you alone? Hey.
No, I don't eat it. No, never.
Johnny.
The only thing I eat from pork is bacon.
So no invite.
Oh, Charlie. I see.
Oh, okay. You are a good man. Derek is not.
Screw you.
You are not so. You want me to see it well? All right, welcome.
Hi guys.
The
Welcome
way you
to
have the vest on,
Francis'
your
channel.
nose is just small.
It's been a
Just
long
mess it
time.
up.
It's been a long time since they
It's been
saw
a
you on
long
this
time.
channel.
That's so true. That's so true. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ruthie. This is X. Kidding.
They're using the fresh girls for the channel.
She has a YouTube channel, so you can follow her. She can subscribe.
Hey,
Yeah,
Guys,
Ruthie
guys.
Bishop. But we're here. We're about to go.
Mine is coming too, you know. I'm going to start doing some fitness channels, you know, like if you want to get big. Hey, and also ask this guy if you want any nutrition, any workout, anything.
You are doing advert on my channel.
Yes.
You pay. Maybe video. Oh, thank you. 5C? What is that?
It's more like I don't know how to. No joke, you're like, yeah, but
You guys start. Okay.
But eight is good. You get a heavy one that's far away.
Hey, 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 hey.
When you're bowling, guys, don't do that. Or maybe I'm just not an expert with hills. I don't know.
Come on, Johnny. Get closer, get closer. Get closer. Yeah. Stay right
It's gonna work for you.
Oh, I did it this way. But this is it. This is it.
Slow it down. There you go.
Ah, Koyasan.
No. Give up.
I and my brother are one.
Is that a chicken laying eggs? It's like 2.
Now, you guys had it, right?
42. Well, yeah, when that's fair, then yeah. As I walk on some money.
Hey, you got this? At least, I didn't lose. I was taking a video. You still alive? Stupid.
I hit one.
It says thank you, please.
So you lost twice in a row.
Ah, no. Look at my points.
Look, I won the second game.
I'm at
No,
12.
I'm winning.
No, because I played for you.
And I played 9 for you. You only gave me 6.
How was the game?
I won. So
You won one.
It was good. It was good. The second one was incomplete. We didn't even get halfway.
Yeah.
And how was the game? Loser? Huh?
That was so good.
You were so good.
It was good. I had fun. How did I
Derek, how was the game?
That was the game. I had a picture of your asses out here.
Obwa. I won the last game. They didn't want to show it. I won the last one.
Which last one?
I won the last game.
Oh,
I won the last game. You guys
because
watch.
it wasn't on camera. That's why.
I won the last game. What are you guys talking about? At least I didn't lose, and I won one. Yes. I'm going to do training for Derek and Ruth so that I can beat them next time. No, you. Huh? You are the what? Bronze brown winner.
That's funny.
Bronze.
It was a good game, though.
Yeah.
It was a really good
I underestimated you. Next time I'm coming with my full way. Okay, we're gonna try and see if we can get some ice cream, and then we call it a night.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't a puff, you're me that
Oh, you've never heard
I
that song?
J Ocean Tree.
Who is it by Ruth?
Mala, Mala. I got a better kind of blow. I J Ocean Tree. Mala, 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 Mala. I bought you a bow. I bought you a I bought you things. But you do sit there. I'ma take you to the moon. I'ma hold you down. So please don't go. But you do sit there. But I always cook for you. I always hold you down. So please don't go. You sit there.
Roots.
Mala.
Oh, just ice cream, right?
Oh,
okay. I want shake too.
Mala.
Which one? There's a vanilla.
Vanilla.
Can we get a vanilla, please? What size?
Medium.
I know to take this cocoa.
Cheers to a great day. Cheers to beating all you all. Next time when it comes, come prepared, okay? Come prepared. Come prepared. Next time I'm winning you.
You ain't gonna win nobody.
I'm winning you.
You ain't gonna win shit.
I'm winning you.
You ain't gonna win shit.
Next time I'm winning you. So yeah, I'm winning.
That ain't happening.
All right, guys. Thanks for a great day. Okay, so it's all. We've come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. It was great having you on board.
Too much sugar.
If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Hit the notification button and share the video. And don't forget to leave a comment, okay? Comment. All right. So we come your way again with another video. It's what?
It's lit.